In this video, I am going to show you how to add navigation menu in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So to add a navigation menu to your Wix website, open your Wix website editor and then from the left menu click on add elements. Now select menu from here, and here we have multiple templates for the menus that we can choose from. I like this one, so I am going to drag it to my page. And as you can see that our menu is now added to our page. Now at first we are going to decrease the width of our menu. So we are going to do it from here. You can add new pages to your menu, or you can hide these pages from your menu. Just click on manage menu from here. And this is our site menu. Now if you want to hide any page from your menu, just click on this 3 dots button next to your page and then click on hide. You can easily create sub menus. Just hold the page and drag it towards the right side. And as you can see that now it's the sub menu of the guides page. Now if you want to remove it, just click on it and then click on main page. You can move your menu items up or down and you can easily change their positions. Just hold it and move it up, and in this way the position will be changed. Now let's check out the layout settings for this menu. Just select layout from here. You can change the text alignment from here. And also you can change the item direction from here. After that we have the design option. If you want to change the complete design of your menu, just select any design from here and it will be changed. But we will use the previous menu design. But if you want to customize this menu design instead of changing the whole theme, just click on customize design from here. And here you have the options to customize this menu design instead of changing the whole design. So this is how you can add navigation menu to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.